Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to add an admin to a Facebook page on Meta Business Suite. So this function actually has been moved. So previously it was actually in the all tools, but now I'll show you the updated method and where this setting is now. So it's actually in the settings. So go to the settings, and as you can see on the very top on the left we have partners. So this is going to be your admins and also the people that you consider as partners. So if you want to add them, just press on add. And as you can see, you can give a partner access to your assets and ask a partner to assign you their assets. So you need the first one, so give a partner access to your assets. And of course, you just insert a new partner's business ID in here. So as you can see, to give them access to work on pages, Instagram accounts, and other business assets in your business portfolio. So this is how you add an admin. So after that, just after inserting their business ID, click on next and you will add them. That's how it's done, guys. Very easy. So if you enjoyed this video, if it helped, make sure to support us with a like and a subscription. See you in the next one.